Hey guys, welcome back to John Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new benchmark. Today we're testing out Halo for the Infinite for the PC. Are these guys coming to attack me? Wait, are these guys coming to attack? That's what I thought. Today I'm running this on my Intel Core i3-10105. I was really scared just now. With the AMD RX570 4GB VRAM graphics card. I'm running with 16GB of DDR4 RAM and dual channel memory, and you know how these 4GB cards work. I'm running at, well, I am using 1080p, but I dropped the resolution scale down to 71%, which is 767, and I'm running on the lowest preset because this game seems demanding as hell even now. So I don't know, it feels like this game hasn't really improved as much as it could have. My CPU is quite toasty. I'm quite shocked by that. Oh come on, I really wish. Stick to him. Stick to him. I need to stick him. Thank you. Thank you. Maybe it's because of the area I'm at. I mean, I am in an open area right now, but the fact that this is pushing my CPU over 90% is kind of baffling to me. I am a bit shocked by how this is performing. I won't lie to you. I kind of didn't want to even start here, so I'm going to run. Holy crap, how are you hitting me? Oh, snap. I've made mistakes all around today. I wanted to start in a big area, though. For those of you wondering, these Halo Infinite has had issues on 4GB cards. That the issue does not seem to be fully resolved. I believe at some point you couldn't even play it on some of these cards. And this is definitely showing to be true. As you can see, I am maxing out. I actually feel like it's a VRAM issue here as well. That I maxed out the VRAM to the point that it's really pushing my CPU. Because the RX670 did not run like this. Like it ran way better. To the point that I couldn't expect to get this type of frame rate. Like this frame rate is ridiculous to me. Like this frame rate doesn't even make sense. So it's definitely a VRAM issue as well, I would think. Which isn't great, if I'm being honest with you. Ow. I wanted to fight somewhere heavy though because I wanted to be in this base. You survived that explosion, how? Damn, I really wanted to hit them with that. This is great, isn't it? Me being attacked like this, nearly dying. But hey, we are running at over 30 FPS, and it does seem to consistently stay there. I can't hit on it for that. Okay, well, that wasn't supposed to happen, but it did. It wasn't supposed to, but it did happen. So I guess I gotta live with that. I really hope no one hits me while I have this in my hand. That'd suck. No. There you go. I feel like I used to have backup, and all of a sudden I don't. Why is that again? Once again though, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. This was requested, so I decided I would test it out. I kind of figured that this wouldn't run well though because it's Halo Infinite. Leaves a bad taste in my mouth. It's sad to see that it still runs this terribly even now after all this time, but yeah, apparently you need a better CPU, but at the same time my GPU is being maxed out, so it's a VRAM limitation issue as well. It's literally an issue with everything. It's not great. I'm not even using that much RAM, which is nice. So the RAM issue has been fixed. That's the only issue really that seems to be fixed, the RAM issue. But they get what? Nice. That thing's still out there. Yep, that's done. This weapon is so convenient, it's not even funny. Did I win? Did I get them all? Listen, this is the lowest settings, but the game is running at over 30 FPS, so I'd probably cap it to 30 and say to myself, hey, why not? Boy, I really hope that you went down with. I don't need you doing that. Where did?
I will cut you down before this battle is done.
I'm sorry I'm not talking as much. I'm kind of focused. This is actually quite stressful. I'm kind of focused here. Oh no, I didn't think there were people around here too. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. I'm actually kind of focused right now. Didn't expect this to be so intense. This is really combat here, man. Where is he? I want to see him. I don't know where he is. Oh wow, that didn't even blow up. It's like nothing I do. He doesn't go down. He doesn't go down. Okay, he doesn't go down. He does not go down. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Finally! Oh my gosh! It ran at over 30 the whole time, but that's about it. Uh-oh.